Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn.
Shit, I'm sweaty as hell.
Nigga, hot as hell in there, motherfucker.
Hell yeah, already sweating. Finna get to work, bro. You see the AR.
Yes, sir. But man, we up here, Airsoft. We about to get it in, man. We about to get strapped up. You know what I'm saying? Get strapped up. Ready? Predator. Yeah.
Who's gonna be the bag carrier?
What we shooting at? Right here?
Anything, bro.
Oh, okay.
Don't shoot to the side.
Don't be a minute. Let go.
Hey, that's nasty.
Alright, it's dark in here right now. The game started. They busting. I'm hiding right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to find somewhere to put the camera at, but I'm gonna have to be low key with this bitch right now.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Hey, come here.
I can stop on my teammate, bro.
Real out here, y'all. My goddamn gun done broke. My damn gun broke. Look at this shit. In the game too, right there, man. I was the last man standing, you know what I'm saying? I was the last man standing. I was taking niggas out. Ducking and sliding and shit. I gotta set the camera up, so I don't know if y'all gonna actually be able to see the footage, but I had to set the camera up and just set it down, you know what I'm saying? Cause I can't be carrying it around with me. But I got this fat ass rifle, you know what I'm saying? It's already hot, niggas got vests on and shit, but hopefully y'all was able to see some footage. The next game we go in there, I'm gonna try to put it somewhere better and see if we can really get y'all some action, you know what I'm saying? But last man standing, baby. Don't play with me, I'll let this motherfucker go. I was busting niggas. Alright, y'all, we about to play the next game right now. It's called Domination. Now this how it works. It's like we got a little bomb over here, and it's each team that's had a bomb is gonna light up the team color. Our objective is to get the bomb, neutralize it, and then, you know what I'm saying, re-detonate it so the other team can blow the fuck up, basically. So, about to get back in here. I'm trying to set the camera up somewhere nice this time so y'all can see all the action, see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? See what's going on. We about to get in this game, bro. We gotta blow these niggas up.
Yeah, we do.
99, 100.
Going all the way down.
Just hit a good 100 push-ups real quick.
We on Fortnite with it, man. Come on now. We right here.
Yes, sir. About to get it in. Man, this way I should put that. Right there. Right there.
Davion, where's the bomb? Real building. He's about to show us the bomb.
Alright, y'all, it's time to get it. Go. Get right there.
No, I think that's us. No, it's green. Get the window, get the window, get the window. Hey, we got him. We got him. Whoa, watch that, bro, watch that back. Hey. Ah, hey. God damn. God damn. They lit me up. They lit me the fuck up. God damn. That nigga hit me 6 times. God damn. That nigga hit me 6 times. Oh shit. I'm trying to bring y'all the footage, man. I'm gonna bring y'all the action live. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go secure the bag. Secure the bomb. Oh shit, my bad.
We gotta get mine.
Is it on? Is it on our shit?
Yeah, red is ours.
Still got it.
We got the bomb. We got the bomb.
Damn. Hit. Go.
Yeah. I held it down for a long time, man. I held it down for a minute, but I got hit. Oh, we gonna go back.
Oh, watch out. Here. Somebody's behind that box. Take.
These niggas ain't calling their hits, bro. I done tagged niggas like 20 times. They still coming. All right, y'all, I gotta put the camera down now. We can win the game.
Bomb. Get bomb. What's that around for the bullet? I got bomb. Oh, shit, behind bomb.
That's game.
Yeah. Did we win?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all that matters. We got the dub, baby. We got the good dub on that one. You know what I'm saying? We got the dub. I hope y'all was able to get some good footage off of that. I was actually running around with the camera and shit on that one. You know what I'm saying? Trying to bring y'all some good shit, trying to bring y'all some good footage.
Mom, this nigga in the back, chilling.
Hey, I'm helping y'all niggas, though.
I think they all a little bit. I'm like, this man still.
Oh,
I ain't about to die today.
Hey, look, I went all the way to the front. I came back. This nigga was in the same spot. I swear to God.
Bro, on the mount like this.
Yeah, he gonna walk to the room and go, oh, they not over here.
But this shit lit, man. This shit fun as hell. This is my first time doing this, man. This shit fun as hell. Good way to blow off some steam. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, get to shoot some niggas without actually shooting niggas. You know what I'm saying? Get to shoot some niggas and keep your freedom. You know what I'm saying? So, good way to blow off some steam, man.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty, yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.